Hey Banks family! Alright, so this video is really special because it is sponsored by Lull, which is really amazing because this mattress company, let me tell you, it is amazing. Me and Ronnie have one in our room, so we thought why not get one for Ameera. And I know Ameera is only 2, but she does love her bed, let me tell you that. Alright, so what I wanted to tell you guys before I do the unboxing of this mattress, and I want to tell you that it is super comfortable, and also it is 100 nights risk-free. So if you do not like your mattress, let's say after 100 nights of sleep, which I doubt is going to happen because you're going to love it, you get to return it for free. They have great customer service, which is really awesome, and also you get a luxury mattress experience for under $1,000, which is pretty great. So I got Ameera a queen mattress, and I hope she loves it. We're gonna unbox it, and then after that I'm gonna test it out and see if she wants to jump on it and how much she loves her mattress. So let's do it. I did it, guys. I'm not strong, but I did that. I did that. What I really want to show you guys about this mattress is that you see how it's sealed airtight right now, but once I let it out, it's just gonna inflate and it's gonna look so amazing. It's starting to inflate. Woo! We did it! We did it, mommy! Oh, ah! Woo! 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 Do you like it, Ameera? Yes, he does. Woo! 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 Alright guys, so that was my unboxing of Ameera's Lull mattress. Thank you guys so much at Lull for sponsoring this post. Ameera loves the mattress. I love the mattress. I'm going to be on it with her at all times. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, Banks family. Thank you so much, Lull. We love it. Ronnie! Oh!
Hi, baby.
She loves it, baby.
This bed. Daddy wants to have this bed. Can I have it?
Say no.
Oh,
no, no, no.
My bed. Oh!
Alright guys, Banks family out.